everybody. Welcome to another Sunday. Today is the 19th of September, and I know this because yesterday was the 18th and it was my birthday. I want to thank you all for the birthday wishes, the texts, the WhatsApp, the Messenger, Facebook, Instagram. I maybe said that already, but I want to thank you all for the overwhelming wishes. I was occupied all day, wasn't able to respond until in the night, but I saw all of them and I really do appreciate it. And of course, the Zoom party did off the chain. Who said we can't have a party on Zoom? But it was awesome, and I am happy. Every day above ground is a good day. Happy to be celebrating 44 all of life. And of course, I never know, so 44 could I look this fabulous? Yeah, that's me. Now, today, of course, I have another exciting topic for you. And I am so excited about my guest today. We started this intro on Instagram and we brought it here because we have loads of special and loads of information and loads of benefits for you. And before we get into it, I want to remind you guys, I hope that you all are observing the protocols, the washing of the hands, the wearing of the mask, and watching your distance. And of course, we need to load up on the vitamins, make sure that we're boosting the immune system. And for those of you who have taken your vaccines, kudos to you. For those who have not, kudos. I just believe that we all just need to respect each other's spaces and choices. Now, today, for those of you who didn't know, Advantage General Insurance Company is a part of the Sagicor Group, and this took place on the 30th of September, 2019. And we're happy to have them on board. And of course, we have some benefits for you. But I brought on someone very special who can give you all of that information and to answer your questions here. And of course, my good friend Nakia, welcome. Welcome to the Sagicor family officially again. Keep welcoming you guys because we're excited about it. Hope you're doing awesome today. And I want to thank you for joining me today.
All right, thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much for welcoming us to the Sagicor family. We are really thrilled to be a part of the team, happy to be on board, and more than willing to be here to help everybody out.
Awesome. Now we can jump right into what are the benefits that are available to the Sagicor employees, a Sagicor family.
All right, so of course, it's family first. So we have this awesome exclusive package, especially for the Sagicor team, just for staff. It is a really nice package. It comes in a bundle that gives you super awesome benefits. We protect you against uninsured motorists. We protect your no-claim discount that you would have worked so hard to earn. And we also ensure that in the event of anything happening, you as an individual driver and the drivers in your vehicle are protected. And what is so awesome and fabulous about this exclusive is that it is not just for the persons who physically work with Sagicor. Your immediate family benefits from this awesome bundle as well.
Wow, that is awesome. No, of course, we don't just think about the employees. For those of you, by the way, hi O'Shane joining on Instagram. I'm going to invite you on over to the YouTube channel, which is the Iconic Advisor page. So jump on over to the Iconic Advisor page on YouTube where you'll be able to ask questions and interact with our guests today. Today we have Advantage General Insurance, who is now a part of the Sagicor Group. And if you're a Sagicor client, then you have loads of benefits to receive from them. So come on over. Guys, you are on. Remember to like and share. Share with your family and your friends. We want to share these benefits. Go right ahead and share, and you can also ask your questions. Now, what does the Sagicor clients get? What are the benefits that are available?
All right, so just as we have an exclusive package for the staff, we also have the same thing for our customers. Now, what I'm going to do is, because we have so much packages, because we have something for everybody, I'm going to start talking about the motor vehicle policies first, and then I'll tell you what we have on the non-motor side. So We'll go with the comprehensive first. So number one, we have a fabulous package that is called our Sagicor Customer Package, exclusively for Sagicor customers. As long as you have a policy with Sagicor Life or an account with Sagicor Bank, you are eligible for this package. It is a discounted rate that is tweaked just for you. We also have a welcome introductory discount for you. So if you're coming over to Advantage from any other company, you get a welcome discount just for switching over to us.
Repeat that aspect. You get a welcome discount.
They get an introductory discount. They get a switch and save. It's called our switch and save discount. So if they're insured anywhere else, just for coming over and being a part of the family, they get a discount up front. So that's your first discount right there. I know persons may be worried about the fact that I have been insured in this company for a long time. What happened to all of my discounts? Walk with them. We'll add them to your package. We tailor-made the products for you. You don't lose anything. So that is our first package. We also have standard and branded packages now that's open to everybody. And I'm going to talk about, since we're ladies here, I'll start off with our Ultimate Woman package.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, so that's for our female drivers. So if you're a female, you're the main driver, you have invested in your vehicle, and if it's valued 2.5 million and up, you qualify for this package. You can come in, you can talk to us, and we'll put you on that. Didn't leave the men behind. We have our Prestige package, which actually mirrors the Ultimate Woman. It's something similar. They come with additional benefits. It offers extra protection. So once it is that you come in and talk to us, then we can actually work those packages for you. Those packages also include that introductory discount. And then we have a brand new package for all our persons who have invested in a brand new vehicle, invested in a vehicle that is valued $6 million and up. We now have what we call Deluxe. And as the name suggests, it is for persons with luxury vehicles. So Advantage is going to cover your luxury vehicle for you. Yes. And then what I like with all of these comprehensive packages, whether it's our standard package, the Sagicor package, the staff package, or any of the branded package, they all come with benefits that are perfect for our customers, especially knowing this COVID climate. So I'm going to just explain some of the riders that you can actually have to make sure that your policy has the best value for you. So first one, and this is one of my favorites, it's our uninsured motorist rider. The thing is, this is Jamaica. And unfortunately, with what is happening now, persons tend to take chances. And insurance policy expire, and them have an emergency, and them go, oh, no, I don't have no insurance, but I decide to drive. The unfortunate situation is that it is in those cases where, God forbid, accidents happen. And then the thing is, you're left in a rut. Now, what happens is that with our uninsured motorist rider, we provide protection for our customers should they face such a situation. So if I am that negligent person and I hit your vehicle, and for whatever reason I have no insurance, once it is that that rider is attached to your policy, you can actually come in, make a claim, you'll get a settlement under your policy, you don't lose your no claim discount, and for those of you who are familiar with the policy excess, it does not apply either. Trust me, that is
forgiveness.
You don't get penalized because somebody else was negligent.
Right.
Penalized for that. We have a new one, and this one is now our protected no claim discount package. And what I like about this is that it actually offers the customers the ability to hold on to that no claim discount, even if they should be in an unfortunate situation where they have an accident and we have to pay. The general standard policy and the general rule usually is that once you have an accident, the company pays out, obviously, that no claim no longer exists. With the protected no claim, we know you worked years to garner that no claim discount, we hold on to it for you. We make sure you keep it, you don't lose it. All right.
I mean, that's true.
So you definitely need to add that to your package. All right, so there's another one. This is no one, a lot of persons don't know that the standard motor vehicle policy does not cover the driver. It covers the passengers, it covers the third party, it covers the vehicle, the driver is not covered.
I don't think we're aware of that. Because we're doing insurance to cover the driver.
So what we actually do have is a personal accident policy that actually covers the driver. It's minimal in scope. For $5,000 extra, you get $50,000 for medical coverage. It also offers you $1 million in the event of death or disablement that is paid out to a beneficiary. So what I usually recommend to my clients is that if it is that you drive and the possibility exists that there will be an accident and you may be hurt, for the owners of the car, get a life insurance package with Sagicor. I know we have them. We have the accident insurance that will cover them. But then what I also tell them is that what is good about this, and the reason you can have this with us as well, is that it's not restricted to just the insured.
Right.
If I borrow a car for whatever reason and I'm the driver and I get hurt, it will cover me because I'm the driver at the time of the accident. And having that coverage does not at all affect you from claiming from your life insurance in the event that you have to actually get additional cover to cover the expenses. So it's a nice benefit. You can, add it on to whatever it is that you have with your accident insurance just to make sure, because we know that the cost of medical expenses these days are through the roof. Right. And finally, Our newest package, and this is something that I like, is the fact that we're now offering rental vehicles in the event that your vehicle is laid up because of an accident.
What?
When you talk to your advisor, you can
Like
choose
America.
you can choose between getting a rental for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You can actually add that onto your policy. So if there's an accident on the car in the garage, you need to get to work, Advantage will, once it is that you have that benefit, Advantage will come with a rental contract and will pay the rental company. You get a car, you go about your business until we're able to sort out your claim. So those are some of the magnificent and awesome riders that we have. So for those of you who are already with us, we're happy to have you. We want to keep you. We want to add value to your policies. So when you come talk to your next renewal, find out about the riders that are on your policy. See what it is that you need to add that value to your policy.
Right.
Those of you that are coming on board, we have all of these open and extending it to you. So come on over. We'd like to have you covered.
Awesome. No, I'm overwhelmed with all the packages, but I want to remind the persons that are on Instagram that we're actually live on the YouTube channel, the Iconic Advisors page. So you can jump on over there. Hi, Karine, big up yourself. You can jump right on over there to see what is happening. And you can also post your questions. You may not be in Jamaica, but you may have friends or families that this may benefit. You can also ask your questions here. So jump on over to the Iconic Advisors page. Can somebody type that and also in the comment section for me, please? The Iconic Advisor page. I'm seeing one of my technical team members on, so go ahead and type that. No, that's only the motor aspect that is benefits that we have. What else does Advantage General well, I know for a fact that we're number one, and I can say we, because as I said, you're a part of the Sagicor group now, that you're number one in home and motor insurance. Right. No, what is it that else? I mean, if you're number one, you don't need to be giving all these benefits, but I guess we would like to have most of the market. It's really competitive here in the island of Jamaica, but what else is there for our clients? I know a lot of persons don't think about home insurance, but it's really important based on where we live. We have natural disasters, fires, people don't think about those eventualities, but what are the packages that are available?
All right, good. So first of all, where the home insurance is concerned, for all our customers that actually take out the mortgage with Sagicor, we have a mortgage blanket that goes along with that. So if you have your mortgage anywhere else, you might want to consider having Sagicor refinance that mortgage for you, because you get an awesome insurance package to go with it. With the mortgage blanket, what it does is that it puts you on a policy that allows you to pay for your mortgage with your loan. So it's easier, and the terms are really great. The rate is one of the lowest in the market. So you're getting a good package to actually go with that. Outside of that, our standard home insurance policy comes with an awesome $500,000 worth of contents free. So if you come over to us and you decide to insure your home with us, you actually will get your contents. You can get your contents insured with it. You can get your contents insured. The first $500,000 worth of that contents is free. We don't charge for that. It comes as a benefit to getting the home policy, and then we improve on that. Now, what I like also is that for persons, we're probably in my position where we don't get the mortgage yet. We're still trying to find that dream house. We actually have to rent a facility. So we live somewhere else. We don't own the home, but we do have investments where our contents are concerned. You have your TV, you have your fridge, your stove, you have all your expensive furnishings, and you want to make sure that these things are protected. We have a content policy for you. We have renters insurance. So as long as you're in that situation, you can come protect your rental, you come protect your items, protect yourself. Because if the house burned down and the landlord have insurance, it's not going to cover your goods inside. So you're going to have to protect your contents. So we have renters insurance stated for you. Outside of that, for those of you who are not aware, not only do we cover home and contents, but we also do commercial policies. And for our fabulous Sagicor people, our business personnel, we actually have an SME Biz Pack. Now, what I like is that it provides insurance for your business place. So if you own the compound, what will happen is that the property, you can get it insured, and it's against all the natural regular perils. So it's against fire, flood, earthquake, storm, natural disasters as a whole. You'll get coverage for the building itself. It comes also with a limited amount of burglary cover, or you can actually get that standalone on its own. So you get protected for that.
Right.
You also can cover your equipment that you have on site, especially for depending on the type of business you're in. You would have invested in your computers, you'd have invested in your machines. All of these things can be lost as a result of a fire. They can be lost as a result of a hurricane. They can be lost as a result of an earthquake. So you want to make
Right.
sure that you're protected. What you don't want is to have an eventuality like that, and then you have to start from ground zero, because building a business, we all know, is not easy. So to get to a point where you know have it up running and established, and then to lose everything, it's not somewhere we want you to be. So for our
Right.
strategic teams, we have that package available. It's a bundle that we have put together. You can actually cover the building and the contents, and it also offers you liability coverage in the event that you should have somebody come onto the property and get hurt. We cover public liability, and you can also get liability coverage for your employees. So we
Right.
offer that benefit extended to the family, so you can actually get that as a part of your package. So what I recommend is that you come in, you talk to us, and then the nice thing is, because it's a Sagicor bundle, of course the rate is discounted just for you because you're a part of the Sagicor team.
There's that. Heard it here.
Right.
Well, I know I normally have this question. Even though we're getting discounts, what the packages look like, especially for, what we can probably estimate what a car is, but based on persons owning home, is it a percentage based on the value of the property, and the same thing for businesses?
All right. So when it comes to insuring property, what we insurance is what's called the replacement value. So what you'll find is that if you get a valuation report, sometimes you'll see three values. They'll give you the for sale value. So in the event of anything happening, this is the lowest amount they're recommending you set for. They'll give
So
you a
in terms
market.
of minusing, is there a depreciation that you look at, or appreciation?
All right, so let me explain. Good. So what you'll find is that with the replacement costs, what it covers is what it is going to take to put you back in a position that you were formerly in. So it is
Right.
going to cover the amount of money that it is going to cost to replace the building. So what you'll find is that in some situations, the replacement value might be in excess of the market value.
Right.
In other situations, you might find that it is less than the market value, depending on where your property is located. Because the
Right.
market value is going to encompass the infrastructure, the area, and that sort of thing, the ambience, and all of that.
Awesome.
What we cover is the structure. So we look at your replacement cost, and based on that replacement value, then we'll go ahead and we'll insure based on that cost. What we normally recommend is that for our customers who can afford to periodically get an updated valuation report, so you can actually know where your value is. If you can't, incrementally increase it over time, because we know that the cost of construction has been going up, and since COVID, I realize it has been escalating. So if your property might be valued $10 million this year, another 2-3 years, especially what's happening with the cost of construction material, it might be valuing 15 million. Increase the value.
Right.
Increase the value. And of course, insurance cost is a percentage of that. So depending on what it is that we're insuring, the risk, the level of risk that is there, then the rates will be matched accordingly.
Awesome. Yes, you heard it here. Those of you who are just joining in on Instagram, we are on the Iconic Advisor page on YouTube. I'm here speaking with Advantage General Insurance Company that is now a part of the Sagicor Group. We have celebrated our second year birthday, which is going to be on the 30th, which is my month, the best month. Yes. So a lot of specials happening in this month, a lot of benefits that are available, especially to our Sagicor clients. And I see a few of you on Instagram. So jump on over onto the Iconic Advisor YouTube channel. What other benefits are available, Nakia?
All right, so we have this new package, and this is something I'm excited about because this is the first of its kind in Jamaica. In collaboration with the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, we have actually now been extending cover to the fishermen. I know Sagicor has a package for the life. We are doing the general package. So what we will cover for fisher folk are your boats and your engines. And what I like is that if it's a situation where you do take that package with us, you can get discounts on your home policy, you get discounts on your motor vehicle policies with us. No, this is something that every fisherman should jump on. I mean, they have been crying for years. The boats get lost at sea. The boats get more than damaged by hurricanes, and they have to start over. I mean, I think it was the last hurricane that we had. I heard some fishermen in Whitehorse complaining that them lose a hull, them lose an engine, things like that.
Yes.
So with the packages that we are offering for the fisher folk, we are actually taking on that risk. We're actually allowing you to get coverage so that that investment that is your bread and butter, if something should happen to it, you can actually come in, talk to us, and there's a package in place now that will protect you. You can get back something so you don't have to start from scratch. So we know you're a businessman as well, so we're not leaving you guys out. We're not leaving the fisher folk out. We're covering everybody in the business. It doesn't matter what you do, we want to have you covered. For our farmers, those who are registered with RADA, you come in with the RADA ID and we're offering you an extra 10% discount on your home policy, an extra 10% discount on your motor policy. And if you bundle it, you get 15%. So come on in. And this is in addition to your Sagicor discount. So, I mean, we actually have something for everybody. We just need you guys to come on board.
Wow. That one is new. The farmers and the fisher folks. I mean, they have since we have introduced AgriCare, I have heard so many of them requesting that we need, what about insurance for our boats, our engine? And I remember we did an interview with one who said basically the cost they had, you have to have certain persons who are able to repair. The same persons who are probably using the boat have to, because of the cost, they have to learn to do it themselves, and it is their livelihood. And when I heard the cost, I said, boy, I will never complain about the cost of fish again.
You and I in the same boat.
The struggle is real. So no, fisher folks, you are able to insure your boat and your engine. We're taking on that risk. And for the farmers, 10% of your home insurance. And what is it again for them?
The motor insurance, and if the bundle boat, they get 15.
Awesome. Been hearing about the new insurance for agriculture and fisher folks. It is an amazing development, progressive move. Thank you, my darling Patricia Reed Ward, a former guest right here on the Iconic Advisor page. Now, for those of you who want to jump on and you have persons who are in these fields, it's not just for farmers and fisher folks. There are benefits here for all our clients and also for the general public. If you switch on over to Advantage General Insurance Company. Now, if you have questions, you can jump onto the page. We have just a few minutes to go, probably about 8. Depending on how much information Nakia might have for you. So it's the Iconic Advisor page on YouTube. Jump on, or for those of you who want to watch this video, the video can be shared with you, or jump onto the channel. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Yes, Nakia, anything else?
Right. I realized that when we did the motor package, I left out my third-party peeps. I don't know how I did that, but I did. But we do have
so much. It is so much.
I tell you, Advantages here for everybody. We have something to cover everybody. So we don't want anybody to feel like, oh, that's an insurance company I can't go to. No, it's an insurance company you should come to. Yeah. So what we're thinking about is that we have this awesome third-party package. It's actually, we have the one for the customers that offers this awesome Sagicor discount. But what I love is that Advantage has taken the opportunity to offer comprehensive benefits to our third-party customers. So we have what is known as the third-party ultra.
Third-party comprehensive?
Yeah, we put comprehensive benefits on it. Let me tell you what I mean. So normally, if you want roadside assistance, you have to have a comprehensive package. If you want a windscreen replacement, you have to have a comprehensive package. Advantage has decided to offer those benefits to you with a third-party cover. You can purchase a third-party ultra and increase your benefits. So for my ladies, if you're like me, who when we brought down the road, we can't change the tire, we can't do a thing, call roadside assistance. It's on for you.
Hallelujah.
For you. I love it. It's something I think that everybody should purchase. It's something that it's open, it's available. And I mean, in this day and age, things do happen. You do need help sometimes. It's not all the while you're in a situation to call a friend over to come help. Sometimes the roadside assistance is what you need to get you back on the road and get you moving. So add it to your policy. So for those of you who have the standard third-party policy, when you come back to renew, tell them you want an ultra policy. Of the benefits. Of the benefits. And then again, it's going to do with screen. And just from a taxi men out there and from a commercial people out there, we are not limiting to offering private cover. We have fantastic rates. I'd like to tell the public that we recently reduced the rates on our PPV policies. So you can come on over. If you actually are a member of a taxi association, we have an awesome package for you. Come on over.
So like we want to increase the taxes on the road, Nakia.
In my area, we wouldn't mind.
No, these are. So is there anything else that is left on the table?
Well, come in and talk to us. The thing is that what we like to do is that we like to customize our packages based on our customers' needs. So whatever it is that you have, I am 100% sure that Advantage is the right fit. We will find something for you, and don't worry about the cost, the price is right. And then another thing that I want to mention is that when you come over to us, we're not stingy. If you refer your friends and family, you can end up not paying any money. I actually have customers who have joined onto our referral program. They send me friends and families until when it's time for the policy journey, I get a call. Nakia, how much my premium be? All right, how much discount I have? All right, I'm going to refer 1 and 2 more business because I'm not paying any money this year. You can actually get that. We have a fabulous referral program, and it is not to the staff only. Our customers benefit from that. So once you come over, you get money saving. And with this COVID climate also, you don't have to find everything up front. We have awesome payment plans. If you can't pay it off in full, you get a 2-part, 3-part, 4-part, 6-part, 8-part. You tell us. We'll work with your budget. It's there. It's available for you.
It doesn't get better than this. It does not get better than this. In this time that we have persons who are losing their jobs or persons who are not well, whatever the circumstances, price increase in terms of food, gasoline, traveling, everything. We want to make sure that everywhere that we can find some discounts and benefits. And not only are you getting discounts and benefits when you purchase a package, when you refer someone, you get your premiums reduced and maybe don't pay no premium at all, depending the amount of persons that you have actually introduced to the Advantage General family. For those of you who are joining in again on Instagram, we're live on the YouTube channel, so you can jump on there, the Iconic Advisor page on YouTube. If you don't catch the live, you can also watch the video to get the scoops on the benefits that are available to our Sagicor clients, not only our clients, but the general public, so you can jump right on over. Remember to share the video, guys. This is information that we don't want to be stingy about. Welcome, everybody. Know anything else, Nakia? Because I have to watch this video over to be able to recall all of the benefits that are available.
Right. So we know it's a lot. But the thing is, it's there for everybody. So what we want is for everybody to just give us an opportunity to tell you what it is that we have to offer. And don't worry about it. The price is right. I'm promising you that. We make sure that we actually tailor the cost to our customers as well. So just talk to us, tell us what it is that you have. We will customize the packages. We will work with you. And don't worry about being, confined to a physical space in this day of technology. We have awesome general insurance advisors right around the island. We're just a phone call away. We have a tele branch that is set up, and we have a live chat that's available on our online page. So if you go online, you can talk to our representatives. We're customer oriented. We love the people we serve. So we just want you to come over, talk to us, and we will definitely work with you.
Awesome. And if you're attached to your financial advisor on the live side, or you're attached to your banker, then of course they can refer you internally to one of the advisors over there at Advantage General. Talk to your financial advisor. For those of you who don't have one, you want to talk about your life insurance, your critical illness coverage, your pension, your investment, your home insurance, your car insurance, whatever it is that you want to discuss in those areas, I'm right here. You can slide into my DM on Instagram. I'm on Facebook. And of course, you can drop a comment on the Iconic Advisor page. Nakia, what branch are you located, or where can they reach you? Well, you have located.
Well, I am in Savlamar.
Right, so I am far. Everywhere. Once you bus stop, you're everywhere.
Right. So as I said, we have fabulous advisors right across the island. It's 11 general insurance advisors in our company. We also have agents and brokers right throughout the island. We're in every nook and cranny of Jamaica. You can't miss us. We're there to support. We're there to serve. So if you head on over to our website, www.advantagegeneral.com, or if you check out our Advantage General Instagram page, you'll actually see links to the various advisors. They're actually anecdotes and stories about, our life and the things that we like. So you get to know us as individuals, as well as the fact that you will see how it is that we can serve you better. So come on over, call my cell phone, 551-9228. I'm available.
Yes. So if you need the info, guys, you can get it right here. So that is Advantage General, a part of the Sagicor group. We'll be celebrating our second anniversary on the 30th of September 2021. And of course, you want to make sure that you have your motor car insurance. You want to make sure that you have your home insured. If you have business and you have packages for persons who have SMEs, I can't recall all of them. You need to go watch the video and you need to make contact. And remember, for those of you who are Sagicor clients, whether you have your life insurance with us or your investment, and you have also your mortgage with Sagicor Bank. And if you don't, you can switch. There are packages available through Advantage General Insurance Company. The taxi drivers, we have some special for you too. More than what you're getting, additional benefits. So we want to make sure that you guys are aware. So watch the video on the Iconic Advisors channel. I'll post it here on the live so you can jump on over and watch it. Nakia, in any closing arguments, what else? What else would you have for us today?
Well, for today, I'm going to leave it at a wrap for here. I want you guys to come in. I want you guys to talk to us. I want you guys to come and let us tell us what we can do to serve you individually. So come on over, talk to us. We're here. We're ready to serve.
Come on over. Benefits for everybody. We're not leaving anybody out. So the taxi drivers, fisher folks, farmers, Sagicor clients, and those of you who are not Sagicor clients, everybody, there is a package for someone if you were listening before. So run on over. Let us flood this space. We don't want to leave any money on the table because we want to make sure that what we're earning, we're spending, we're budgeting properly, and that we're keeping some of that money or investing some of that money. Is not what you're earning, is actually what is it that you're saving, keeping, and investing. So we want to make sure that we are spending wisely, and where you can find discounts. So this sounds like a Price Mart kind of deal. One-stop shop. So you want to come on over to Sagicor Life, Sagicor Investment, Sagicor Bank, Sagicor Properties, and Advantage General Insurance Company, who is now a part of the Sagicor Group. I want to thank you for joining in, Nakia. It was a pleasure. When we met last week, it was too much for IG, my dear. But guys, you want to make sure that you send me the messages starting today. We're taking calls and messages today. We're not waiting until tomorrow. We want to hear from you today. And of course, you want to make sure that you're staying safe, staying focused, staying strong. Remember to observe the protocols, guys. Thank you once again for joining me this and every Sunday right here on the Iconic channel. Thank you, Nakia, and welcome again, guys. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. I so do intend to walk good.